Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Dear students, in today's video, we will deal with the topic Women and Child Welfare. Children are the future of nation and women nurture them. As such, these two are essential for the development of a nation. In developing countries, 70% of the population comprises these two. In India, this population is about 62%, in which 22% are women, the age of 15 to 44, and 40% are children. These two belong to special risky group, being vulnerable in nature. The risks are maternity problems in women and growth, development and survival in the infants and children. In developing nations, the maternity death rates are in between 8 to 1100 per 1 lakh live births, which is very high as compared to developed countries, that is 2 to 140 per 1 lakh. The main problem of the two in our country are number 1, illiteracy, number 2, malnutrition, and number 3, infections of health, and number 4, employment and poverty. Government of India has taken several measures towards these lines. Year 2001 was celebrated as Women Empowerment Aid. Now we'll deal with the subunit, that is Women and Children Development Welfare. In 1985, Government of India has set up the Department of Women and Child Development as a part of the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Its objective is to provide the much needed impetus to the holistic development of women and children. The department formulates plans, policies, and programs, enacts and amends legislations affecting women and children, and guides and coordinates the efforts of both governmental and non-governmental organizations working in the field of women and child development. The ultimate objective of these programs is to make women independent and to ensure that children grow and live in a healthy and secure environment. The government has under its aegis one statutory body and 3 autonomous organizations. Number 1 is statutory body, National Commission for Women. Number 2, autonomous organizations, in that number 1, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, that is abbreviated as NIPCCD. Number 2, Central Social Welfare Board, abbreviated as CSWB. Number 3, Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, that is RMK. In 1993, Food and Nutrition Board has been transferred to the Department of Women and Child Development. And in 2003, a National Nutrition Mission has been set up. International organizations like UNICEF and UNIFEM have formulated 5 acts to be administered by the department. Number 1, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956 amended up to 1986. Number 2, the Indecent Representation of Women Prevention Act 1986. Number 3, the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961 amended up to 1986. Number 4, the Commission of Sati Prevention Act 1987. Number 5, Infant Milk Substitutes, Feeding Bottles and Infant Food Regulation of Production, Supply and Distribution Act 1992. Now we'll deal with the next subunit, that is the Child Development Welfare. As per 2001 Census of India, the country has 157.87 million children, about 15.42% below the age of 6 years. Government of India has following plan programs for their proper welfare. Number 1 is Integrated Child Development Services, abbreviated as ICDS, started in 1975. This centrally sponsored scheme has following objectives. First objective is to improve the nutritional and health status of children below the age of 6 years, pregnant and lactating mothers. Second objective is to lay the foundation for the proper psychological, physical, and social development of the child. Third objective, to reduce the incidence of mortality, morbidity, malnutrition, and school dropouts.